In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a Facebook account. Be sure to watch the video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Now you're going to begin by going to facebook.com/signup. And you can do this on your mobile device as well if you download the app. It's going to be the same process. Now you're going to fill in all your details. Now, once your details are all filled out, it's going to send you a verification code that you're going to have to type into this message box. Once you type in this message, you're then going to click continue, and it should open up your Facebook account. Now it's going to be on a message that says you can add some friends. You can add them if you would like, and then it's going to prompt you to upload a profile picture, add more people, and then that's all there is to it. You can do whatever you'd like to create your Facebook account. You can upload your picture, you can add some friends, or you can take a privacy tour with Facebook. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.